Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscription button as you join us in house hunting journeys.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
So today I'm showcasing different units, all bed sitters.
Look away, but I've known you too long.
The only difference is the price, size, and also how it looks like.
To watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So I really love how these bed sitters have been constructed. And starting off, we start at the sink in the kitchen area.
As you fade away.
So this bed sitter, they all have wardrobe, and some of them have balconies, some do not. So the ones that have balcony are going for much higher price than the ones that do not have balconies.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time.
So this is the first unit we'll be looking at, and as you can see, it has a very big balcony.
Wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the.
So this one specifically is going for 15,000.
And it goes up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same.
And this is my favorite part of this house, the kitchen area. So after the kitchen area, let's look at the washroom.
Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked
I will be showcasing more than 5 units, so that you can just see the difference in each unit.
this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change
So this is the second unit we are looking at.
today. I promise that
Also has a balcony, has a wardrobe.
I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
And the size of the balcony is just the same as the first one. This one is also going for the same amount as the first one I have showcased.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you
And look at the kitchen area. I love that they have used black tiles.
felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue
This is the third unit, and as you can see, the balcony is smaller.
you fade away.
We have a wardrobe on this side.
As you fade away. As you fade away.
Then we have a kitchen. And you can see the kitchen on this unit is different from the first two I have showcased.
From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I am here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul.
So the whole apartment has bed sitters, and the good thing about staying here is that you have amenities like supermarket.
From the darkness to the light, I feel alive.
And the building also has lift.
I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die. Like a phoenix in the night, I will survive. Oh, I will survive.
And another good thing that makes me love this house so much is the accessibility to the road. It's so close to the main road.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down, no. My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix.
So all the units that have balconies are going for 15,000, and apart from the ones that have balcony, there is one that does not have balcony, but it's very spacious. So we'll get to it, and the price is same as the ones with balcony.
Rise from the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire, burning bright, I'll never die.
You can see that this one is a little bit tinier, and this one is going for 12k. So we'll show a different unit later that is also going for 12k. But now let's go to the bed sitter that is going for 15 with no balcony.
Like a phoenix.
So the first thing you notice is the kitchen area. Very beautiful kitchen area, and you can see the space.
Oh, I will survive.
This is the bedroom area.
Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what
So you have a wardrobe.
I want.
Let's open it and see the inside of it. So this is how it looks like.
Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I
And you have this large window over here.
want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now.
And finally on this house is the washroom. The good thing about this washroom is like the bathroom area where there is a shower head has slightly been separated, like there is some room where you can stand and take a shower.
Lose control. Is this real? All I feel. All I feel. Freak my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
So I have showcased enough units. The bed sitters are going for 15,000 for the ones with balcony. For the ones with no balcony, the larger ones are going for 15, then the smaller ones are going for 12k.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you on my next video.
Away. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build-up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.